The salmon crostini are a refined and delicious appetizer, perfect for a special dinner or an elegant aperitif. Here is a classic version that you can easily enrich with an Italian touch. Ingredients: 8 slices of homemade bread or baguette, 200 grams of smoked salmon, 50 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill or chives, black pepper as needed, a tablespoon of salted capers, optional, 4 slices of lemon for garnish, optional. Toast the bread slices in the oven or on a grill until they are crispy and golden. While the bread slices cool down, prepare the lemon butter by mixing the soft butter with the lemon juice, chopped dill, and a grinding of black pepper. If you have chosen to use capers, you need to rinse them to remove excess salt and chop them coarsely. Spread a generous amount of flavored butter on each now warm or cold slice of bread. Place a slice of smoked salmon on each crostino, shaping the salmon so that it has a pleasant and inviting appearance. If you wish, sprinkle the crostini with the chopped capers and a further dusting of fresh dill or chives. Serve the crostini immediately, accompanied by a slice of lemon that can be squeezed over the salmon for those who desire a fresher and tangier taste. To stay up to date on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Smoked salmon is a very versatile ingredient that can be used in multiple recipes. In Italy, you might find variations of this recipe that include the use of mascarpone instead of butter for a thicker and sweeter cream, or the addition of toma or robiola for a more rustic and homely approach to the dish.